Did you know you could turn your knowledge into a full time income? That's right. Creating and selling online courses is one of the best ways to make money. Whether you are an expert in cooking, coding, or even gardening, I will show you exactly how to create a profitable online course from scratch and sell it on platforms. Let's get started. First, let's discuss why online courses are a gold mine. Online courses are booming right now, and for good reason. People are always looking to learn new skills and they are willing to pay for it. And the best part? You don't need to be a celebrity or have a huge following to succeed. All you need is knowledge in a specific area and the willingness to share it. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process from choosing a topic to marketing your course. Let's dive in. We will discuss about the 6 main steps in doing this business. Step 1, choosing a profitable course topic. Step 2, planning and structuring your course. Step 3, recording and editing your course. Step 4, choosing the right platform. Step 5, marketing your course. Step 6, scaling your course business. This is the 6 main steps in doing this business, and let us discuss each one in detail. Step 1, choosing a profitable course topic. The first step to creating an online course is choosing the right topic. Your topic should be something you are passionate about and knowledgeable in, but it should also have demand. Here is how to find a profitable topic. Identify your expertise. What skills or knowledge do you have that others might want to learn? Research demand. Use tools like Google Trends, Udemy's marketplace, or even YouTube. See what people are searching for. Solve a problem. The best courses solve a specific problem. For example, how to start a blog or master Excel in 30 days. Pro tip, start with a niche topic. Instead of fitness, try yoga for beginners or home workouts for busy moms. Step 2, planning and structuring your course. Once you have chosen your topic, it's time to plan your course. Start by breaking it down into modules and lessons. For example, if you are teaching social media marketing, your modules could be Introduction to Social Media, Creating a Content Strategy, Growing Your Audience, and finally monetizing your account. Each module should have 3 to 5 lessons that are easy to follow. Keep your lessons short and focused. 10 to 15 minutes is ideal. Use a mix of videos, slides, and downloadable resources to keep your students engaged. Step 3, recording and editing your course. Now comes the fun part, recording your course. You don't need fancy equipment to start. A good looking smartphone, a microphone, and a proper lighting are enough. Here is how to create professional looking content. First one, script your lessons. Write down what you are going to say to stay on track. Step 2, record in a quiet space. Background noise can distract your students. And step 3, edit your videos. Use free tools like iMovie, DaVinci Resolve, or Canva to trim, add text, and polish your videos. And a pro tip, add visuals like slides, screenshots, or animations to make your course more engaging. Step 4, choosing the right platform. Once your course is ready, it's time to choose a platform to sell it on. Here are the top options. Udemy. Great for beginners, but they take a percentage of your sales. Teachable. Lets you create your own branded website and keep more of your earnings. Skillshare focuses on creative skills and pays you based on minutes watched. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so choose one that aligns with your goals. For example, if you want full control, go with Teachable. If you want built-in traffic, try Udemy. Step 5, marketing your course. Creating a course is only half the battle. You also need to market it. Here is how to get students. Leverage social media. Share free tips and teasers to attract your audience. 2. Build an email list. Offer a free mini course or checklist in exchange for email addresses. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with creators in your niche to promote your course. 4. Run ads. Use Facebook or Google ads to reach a wider audience. Pro tip, offer a limited time discount or bonus to create urgency and boost sales. Step 6 and the final one, scaling your course business. Once your first course starts selling, it's time to scale up. Here is how. Create more courses. Expand into related topics to attract more students. Bundle your courses. Offer discounts for buying multiple courses together. Build a community. Create a Facebook group or Discord server for your students to connect and learn from each other. Remember, the more value you provide, the more successful your course business will be. And that's it. Creating and selling online courses is one of the best ways to share your knowledge and make money. If you are ready to get started, pick a topic and follow the steps in this video and start creating your course today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online and offline. Let me know in the comments what is your course topic going to be. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.